How to change password in Spotify. In order to do that, head over and click onto this Spotify icon, profile icon that you have right here, and click onto this settings privacy. So from in there, you can see these options right here. What we can do is we can head over right here to your account. You have in here the username and email. Now, as you can see, there is no option to change it onto the app itself, but you can head over to your browser and then go to Spotify accounts. Just click on the account option right here. And now we have this. So what we can do next is we can scroll down and then from in there you can see this security and privacy. From in there, click on this device password right here, or you can also head over to the account privacy option. Now just choosing here the login methods. Have in here the current login method which is using Google, which means that I don't need a password. However, if you want to add a password right there, you can head over and use it onto the security page of your Spotify. Click on this device password, then click on this set device password right here, and then log in first in order to verify your identity. So that's how you change password in Spotify. Hope you help.